happy and you speak in joyous words. These are the people who lead a successful and fulfilled life. You know, friends, every word that you speak, hear, or even think is a seed that creates a tree of experiences in your life. Hence, it's so important.
Loving relationships. You have wonderful, loving relationships. I feel my oneness with all of life. You feel your oneness with all of life.
I'm perfect. I'm fine. I'm perfect. I'm fine. So let's enter this world of perfection. You can make this change. You must make this change. And you will make this change. CD is out now on Shiva. Do you know, many years ago, during the Panchatantra era, women would affirm even to their unborn children in their womb thoughts of happiness, prosperity, acclaim, and fame. They knew the power of affirmation. I guess that's why we had so many scholars in that era. Today it's been proven that with a continuous happy state of mind, you will have a buzzing cell energy and you will always have a healthy body. But when you're in love, or when a great project is taking off, or when you're spending time with your friends, you're always happy and you speak in joyous words. These are the people who action. That's why me, Rageshwari, I'm bringing to you the path-breaking CD of Daily Affirmations by Louise Hay. All you need to do is hear the CD.
I have wonderful, loving relationships. You have wonderful, loving relationships. I feel my oneness with all of life. You feel your oneness with all of life.
Did you know Louise Hay cured her own vaginal cancer with positive affirmations? I cured my facial paralysis with you must make this change. And you will make this change. CD is out now on Shiva. Power of affirmation. I guess that's why we had so many scholars in that era. Today it's been proven that with a continuous happy state of mind, you will have a buzzing cell energy and you will always have a healthy body. But when you're in love, or when a great project is taking off, or when you're spending time with your friends, do is hear the CD.
I have wonderful, loving relationships.
Hello everyone. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and a big hello. Come on everyone, make some noise, some positive energy, make some noise. Thank you so much everyone for being here. My lovely guest of honor, the genius. And you know he's a genius because the moment you start to praise him, he starts to look elsewhere and say, when is this speech gonna stop? So a big hand for the genius. We all love him, Mr. Raju Hirani. He's going to launch an album. His wonderful better half, and I'm a big fan of hers, that's Manjeet Hirani. A big hand for her. Thank you. Not many people know Manjeet ji is a fighter pilot. So she's amazing. Yes, so big hand. Thank you so much for being here. Our lovely chief guest as well, Consul General of Singapore, Your Excellency Mr. Lin, Madam Lin. My other chief guest is, of course, his family to me, Kabir ji. A big hand for Kabir Bedi ji. Thank you so much for being here. I learned so much from you about kindness and grace. And my lovely friends, all my wonderful friends, my lovely pillars of positive energy. Thank you so much for being here. Some people I haven't met personally, but I look forward to meeting you all after unveiling of the album is done. You know, friends, now what is an affirmation? Each thought that you have in your mind right now, I need to lose more weight. My husband is not making me happy. I'm not making enough money. I hope I get back home for dinner on time. Is an affirmation. Some affirmations are question marks, and some are positive affirmations, while some are negative affirmations. To affirm to their unborn children, they were encouraged to chant and design the wonderful future of their to-be children. And that's why I guess we had so many scholars, and so many leaders in that era. Now slowly we move, how do we try to feel positive? Most of the gurus immediately say, be in a sense of gratitude. Constantly be thankful for what you have. Now, is it easy? It sounds really boring. Oh my God, I have to be thankful for what I have. But I'm going to make you feel and take you into a wonderful gratitude shift right here, right now, in 5 minutes. Because the moment you hear these wonderful children sing, in fact, the moment you see them walk up on stage, you'll be in a feeling of gratitude. So let's start with that shift, because then we'll talk about affirmations. Right now, let's just be thankful for our lives and for what we have. Let's welcome our wonderful kids from Happy Home. Keep clapping for them, friends. They love an applause. Keep clapping, friends. They're wonderful. Have we made that shift already? Are we in a place of gratitude? Okay? Now friends, we're going to sing something really interesting, something that we would love for you all to sing along. The sound is ready, okay? But before that, can we just chant? Can we just chant, let's be happy? Can we just say, hey, let's just be happy? Let's just be happy, okay? Let's just be happy. That's what the song is all about. Let's play. Yeah, you're free to clap.
be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Here's a little song I wrote. I want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it down. Don't worry, be happy. Be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Are they not amazing? Are they not amazing? Have we made that shift? A shift to gratitude, isn't it? I know, I can see so many of my friends crying. Oh, my Zebu, I love you. My Zebu is number 1 on my rescue list. We'll talk about that later. But I know that's why I go to them. A big hand for Happy Banerjee. Please think about her man who runs this Milestone Institute. A Milestone Institute. I welcome you, Meher ma'am. I welcome you, Amy ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. And a big hand for my choir once again. We're going to be singing something special. But Rahul. Aye, Rahul. Rahul has something to say to you.
First of all, I would like to welcome Sir Raju Hirani. Good evening, friends. I would like to share my experience of working with Nageshwari Didi. It is always a pleasure to perform with her, and we enjoy to work with her because she gives us so much affection and encouragement. Whenever Trilok Uncle, Nageshwari Didi and we all work together, we always talk about being positive. We grumble at times that roses have thorns. But instead of that, we should think that thorns have roses. That means we should change the way of our thinking. If we think positively, then even the doors which are closed for us, somehow they will open. And I want you all to believe that the life is beautiful. Thank you.
A big hand for them. Wincy. Wincy. A big hand for Wincy who looks after my kids. We will take them down. And yeah, don't worry, they will be coming back for some more music. Keep the claps. We could actually darken the showroom, please. And then we would be ready to play the video. If we can just darken the showroom, please. Of your past, continuous, habitual ways of thinking negatively. So today is a new day. And today you can make that change. I'm going to give you some wonderful examples now. I will tell you all about the power of affirmations. You see Morrissey Goodman on the screen, one of the greatest motivational speakers. I'm a huge fan of his. We call him the Miracle Man. He was flying the Cessna 172.
Thanks Rageshwari, and welcome to everyone. I won't take up too much of time. Two things I just want to say. I think what are we doing in this, and Shemaroo is a Bollywood company. I think about 4 to 5 years back, what we thought was that the audiovisual medium is extremely powerful.
The product which we are going to launch. And we are overwhelmed to have Shri Rajuji, who himself masters the art of positivity. So the CD is about positivity of your thoughts. And he has aptly displayed in his movies the effect of positivity. In fact, when you walk out of any cinema hall after watching his movie, you are fully entertained, and at the same time you forget about all your complexes and would ask for yourself only, who would call me an idiot? See, I mean, with positivity, he gives you a feeling you can achieve anything.
Before my kids step in for Rajuji, Rajuji, thank you so much. Well, who is living in this country who's not a fan of Mr. Rajiv Hirani? Thank you so much for your time. Friends, he's made brilliant films, and his upcoming movie, PK, is going to be outstanding and brilliant. So of course, everyone's waiting, but let me tell you, it's just going to be path-breaking once again. Mr. Rajuji.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I should say this has been a very overwhelming evening. I didn't expect this song to be playing here. I've known Rageshwari for a long time, and this is actually the first time I've seen her perform on stage. And in a personal life, she does spread a lot of positivity, but this is the first time I really saw her do all this. Let me actually lead you into a little secret about Rageshwari. Rageshwari, are you listening? She's not listening. I said I'm just leading them into a little secret about you. I've known her for some time, and she's not a normal person. She's a little abnormal. You know, lesser models like us deal with emotions like anger, fear, a little of jealousy, a little bit of competitiveness. But in her, I have never seen any of these emotions. The only emotion she deals with or she spreads is love. You meet her, she's only talking about love, compassion, helping people. You know, I sometimes wonder if I speak to you about Gabbar Singh, what do you think, Ragesh, about Gabbar Singh? What kind of man?
Well, he did not use the right affirmations.
What about Mogambo?
Same thing, his parents were doing that.
Okay, fine, yeah, I'm sure.
Look who's talking. Have you ever seen a villain in his films?
So I'm actually very happy to be here. Here's a very compassionate lady. All the time I've seen her just helping people, talking only of love. Let's give her a big hand. And I think she inherits it from his family, from father, mother. Mr. Luba, I've always seen him smiling. And he's done the music for this. Give him a big hand. Give his mother, family, Rishabh, everybody a big hand. I've also read a couple of Louise Hay books. Why laughing? What I find interesting in that is she talks about, finally she says that all illnesses arise out of the way you think. Thoughts like fear, anger, any negative thought will give you some kind of illness. So if we can actually battle our thoughts, if we can overcome these thoughts, if we can change our pattern of thinking, we can overcome these illnesses. So basically what she's saying that the way you think is the way you become. And a mind is actually a complex thing. I recently met, somewhere a century back, there was a worker in Europe, he was a road digger, he was digging a road. And I think either a spear or an arrow came and hit him. It went from his side, came out from the front. This Praful will know as a doctor. That arrow was pulled out and he bleeded, but his bleeding stopped. And in like half an hour he went back to digging the road again. Nothing happened to him. So which surprised the medical community quite a bit. They said, how can he, his front lobe got damaged. So they started working with him, they started observing him. They realized his motor skills were the same, he was getting up at the same time, going to work, he was eating, nothing had changed for him. Except what changed for him was that he couldn't plan for his future. His capability to think for his future stopped. Which is how they discovered that he wrote a line, he said that दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो बड़ा दुख होता है, लेकिन दोस्त फर्स्ट आए तो और ज्यादा दुख होता है. Now it's a pretty warped emotion, but it's reality. He's a friend, he's a buddy, but we do want him not to be ahead of us. So why we as human beings actually have some defective genes, some defective faculty. So I guess till scientifically all that can be resolved, we'll have to follow what Rageshwari says and do affirmations, do all is well. Actually, I never thought of all is well as an affirmation. It was Rageshwari who once told me, he said, all is well is an affirmation. So, so we were in Pune, most of the script was done. We just wanted to give Rancho, which is Aamir Khan, some kind of a trait to show that he's a very positive guy. For months we couldn't crack. What should we do? Then Abhijat told me a story. He said in Ahmedabad where he stays, he says there's a chowkidar. He stays in a place called Vijayanagar. He says there's a chowkidar at night who goes with a stick, keeps banging on the road, and every hour he says, All bell. He says, All bell, all bell, all bell. Which he figured out that it was actually all is well, which he calls all bell. This apparently originated in the time Britishers were there. They always would have a chowkidar who would go around every 1 hour say all is well. So Vijay said, he says all is well, and we feel very comforted that somebody is looking after the colony and we are safe. Till one day he got up at night, he was taking a walk at night, which Abhijat does very frequently. He said, I saw that man was sleeping, and he kind of timed his body that every 1 hour he'll wake up and say all is well and go back to sleep. So effectively nobody was safe. But he said in our heads, we thought that we are safe. So we kind of cheated our minds to believe that we are safe, and we are safe. Which is exactly what Rageshwari is teaching us, to cheat our minds. So let's all get together, let's cheat our minds and let's believe that we're okay. And I strongly believe, do I seek scientific proof most of the time, but I do believe that we live in a world where we don't know why we are here. Where are we going to go after we die? There are many unanswered questions. What is the purpose here? We don't know, and there are tons of problems around us. So I guess the more positive we are, the more positively we think we'll be able to battle this. Sometimes we might not find solutions, but definitely these affirmations will give us the strength to battle it. So thank you Rageshwari for this wonderful evening, taking us through this. And thanks Shumaru for getting this on the table. One big hand for Rageshwari and Yogi.
A big hand for Rajviji. Words of wisdom. I was talking about rescueless. you're really sad, rescue lists. So I have various rescue lists. We can do that too. That, you know, when you're really sad, how do you immediately come out of that mood? Because when we're sad, we don't really remember those tools. So my rescue list, number one is of course called Zeba. You saw how she started to cry. Actually, everyone should have Zeba's number. Most of us do. Her number's 98. Because that's how positive she is. So it could be calling your friends, planting. Kids love that. Or playing in the mud. So anything. So you can make rescue lists. Take that out and it'll help you battle that low phase in your life. Okay.
I forgot to mention Atul, who's here. Atul, who's done the programming for this CD, has been working with me on all my films. He's done the background score for and the music for this. And his son is the one who solved the Rubik's Cube. Great job, Atul.
Thank you so much. Atulji, of course, has beautifully produced and arranged the track in our album as well. So now, Rajuji shall do the honors. I'd like to invite Trilokji up on stage. Hiren Gadaji from Shimaru, Atulji from Shimaru, and Nikesh Modi from Slash Productions to join us on stage as we unveil Daily Affirmations. Okay, we'll have a quick question and answer round. Of course,
good evening, sir. My name is Arun Priyan. I'm from CNN IB. Sir, just we are looking forward for the movie PK. Just a few words about it. PK. How is shooting going on? How is everything going on with PK?
Actually, no, today is the day for this CD, and it's Rageshwari. PK will talk about PK. Right now, let's PK and affirm. Today is this day for.
No, sir. No, sir. What is your experience? I mean, it's all about positivity. We are looking for the movie as well. And how is your experience of working with Rageshwari?
Well, I wish I can work with her. I haven't worked with her. So many times I've tried to sign her and she refuses all my films. That's true.
So in the future we can expect more with working along with her.
you know, that's sure, why not? But you know, I'm so privileged to know Rajuji, his wonderful wife, and his mother, and his wonderful late father. For me, it's a very fruitful, abundant, copious friendship, and just to be around him and his wonderful family, his wonderful learning experience for me as an artist too. Like I said, you know, I gave the book to them as a gift, and we've discussed this through and through when we would dream of making this into a CD. So it's always great because, you know, many friends don't need to always work together. So I sometimes forget that he's a director. For me, he's an amazing, amazing human being. And I learn from him, I learn from the family. So I sometimes forget that he's this amazing director. Actually, you would forget how big he is because look at how humble he is, look at the way he's sitting. Really? Yeah, no. I'm just seeing the simplicity in the person. So we always have to remind ourselves that he is India's, #1 director. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm from Food Food Channel, and I have a question for you. How affirmation can help in living a healthy lifestyle?
Absolutely. In fact, when people are overweight, the only affirmation, like I said, an affirmation is just a thought, is always, I'm not gluten. We continuously think of something positive. We actually start an amazing reaction in our body that takes us towards right decisions that will give you your suitable weight.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. You can give me mine.
Good evening. I just wanted to share my experience because it's related to the subject. In my career, the only thing that I felt is that I never got a Filmfare award. And I always felt that like it's a lack, that's something that I haven't done. So after reading Louis Hay's book, so I made a chart. I put myself, I cut out some Filmfare award, and I put all the people I wanted there, and I made a book. And I forgot about it. A year later, I just finished a Telugu film which is going to release now. It's releasing. In the movie, my character in the movie, there's an exact scene the way I had pictured and put the photo, where they announce my name and I walk up to the stage in that exact way I had imagined, and I get that award and I'm making a speech. Only thing is, it is also in the movie. It's not.
Amazing. Well, it should be a reality too. I affirm that you will get your real award as well. Thank you for sharing that. Very inspiring. One more. Hello.
Hi, Rajeshwari and Raju sir. Rajeshwari, my question is to you. Affirmation, do you think it's more useful for politicians and the common man, because they need this thing more than common people, because now these days हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, सब नेगेटिव न्यूज़ हमें सुनने को मिलती है, तो क्या इनका कोई कैंप लगना चाहिए? आप सोच रही हैं कि फ्यूचर में आप कुछ ऐसा करेंगी?
Absolutely, but you know, I love politicians too, because the moment we say that we hate them, that's an affirmation. So when you see all the people who need it the most, like you would say people who are convicts, in jail, juvenile delinquents, we need to actually introduce affirmations to them. You see, every saint, as they say, has had a past, and every sinner has a future. So you've got to stop judging, because we do not know, we're all in motion, and we all get to a wonderful place in our lives. So for me in my life, I really don't judge people, because if it's a politician, I would just say that it's so much got to do with, what he's been through in his life. We never know what his past has been. But of course, like I say, we've got to keep doing our karma and do our work, and if you feel like complaining to them, sure, go ahead and do that. But for me, yes, I'd love to introduce affirmations, because you see, I'm not teaching anyone anything new, just reintroducing you all to something that we've actually forgotten. So it's just like a return to innocence, yes. If his affirmation is to make money, sure, but we never really know how happy and fulfilled deep down they are. So we never really know the real picture until we actually get to know the person. So it's all about what you truly want in life, and we keep affirming on those lines. But to answer your question, I'd love to, sure.
It's all about loving and being positive and not hating someone. Being a director, is it really possible to not be in that competitive world? ये सोचकर चलना कि इसकी फिल्म इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी हो, या that way. Is it really possible being a director?
See, first of all, let me say that I don't think any of us are running a race. I don't think I'm running a race with any other director that his films run more than mine, or I don't think we are in a race at all, because we are doing something which is completely different. All of us are saying different stories altogether. And if we say good stories, if it connects with the audiences, all the films will work. So it's got nothing to do with, it's a race. I think it's a race which gets created in the, it's the way it's reported, it creates a race. I don't think in a race, I find this game of number one star or number one director very funny. I actually laugh at it. I don't think in a race at all. And as far as you're saying whether it's possible to be positive in a field like this, I think it's completely positive because it's completely possible because actually the more you get any negative thoughts, even if you get angry, the biggest damage you do is to yourself. Actually, because that stays with you, you live with that burden. Jack Canfield is one of a friend and a favorite writer. I also read a lot of those Chicken Soup, and there's a story I remember. It's about 3 monks walking in a deserted area, and they're trying to cross a river. And there's a girl there, a 17-year-old girl. She can't cross the river, so one of the monks lifts her on his shoulder, and makes a cross. Now the other 2 monks get very upset that why he lifted this, young, good-looking girl, put her on her shoulder, but nobody speaks. For 2 hours they walk. Then he looks at these guys and says, "What happened?" And they say, "Why did you do that? Why did you pick up that girl?" And he said, "Hey, I dropped that burden 2 hours back. Why are you still carrying it?" So it's your attitude towards anything. I don't think you really need to be negative at all in whatever business you do. You have your own life. You deal with your own issues.
And also wanted to know, what is the thought that goes into your mind while making a film? Because film is a long process. You take an year or 2. So what is that one thought that comes into your mind while making a film? Release ke baad, box office, what is it exactly? Critical acclamation, what is it?
See, I don't think it's really possible to judge what will work. Because we live in a country where the literacy level is from 0 to 100. And we have a country with different languages. I don't think any of us can make a formula. If we could, every film would work. So the best thing is not to worry about whether a film is going to work or not. Try and make what works for you. So my effort has always been to try and say a story which I connect with, which I believe in. If you look at MBBS, I have a lot of interaction with doctors, and I want to say something about compassion. So that's the reason I made that story. Lagero was, I want to say something about Gandhi. Education has been a point with me where I feel this. We need to do far more in this country about education. So these are the stories I made which I believed in. And the moment you believe in a story, you have more things to say. If I ask Rageshwari to talk about affirmations, about loving people, goodness, she'll have lots to talk. If I ask her to talk about hate, she'll have very little to talk. So the subjects you have more to talk about is the subjects you should attempt. And then hope that people like it.
राजू सर, आपसे सवाल है पीछे जी। सर, जब आपकी फिल्म की शूटिंग चल रही थी पीके की, उस समय काफ़ी ऐसे हालात थे संजू बाबा के साथ। उस समय आप काफ़ी टेंशन में थे, आप घर जा रहे थे, आप फिल्म के अलावा आप फैमिली रिलेशन शेयर कर रहे थे। तो उस समय टेंशन के दौरान कभी ये आया आपके मन में कि ये फिल्म कंप्लीट होगी कि नहीं? तो उस समय इस सिचुएशन से आपने कैसे डील किया? और आने वाली फिल्मों में जैसे आपने कहीं मैंने पढ़ा है कि आपने आने वाली जो लगे रंग मुन्ना भाई का सीक्वल बन रहा था, मुन्ना भाई चले अमेरिका, वो भी आपने कहा है कि बिना संजू बाबा के नहीं बनेगा। तो इस सिचुएशन में आपने कैसे डील किया और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
जब सिचुएशन कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होती है, जब उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, तो बहुत आसान होता है उससे डील करना, क्योंकि आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है सिचुएशन। तो आप आराम से बैठ जाइए। हम लोग लद्दाख में शूट कर रहे थे 3 इडियट्स, और वहाँ स्नोफॉल हो गया, एंड आई वाज वेरी रिलैक्स्ड। तो सारे लोग मेरे पास आए कि क्या हो गया, आप इतना रिलैक्स क्यों? मैंने कहा मैं किसको कंट्रोल ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ। अगर मैं स्नोफॉल को रोक सकता तो मैं शायद ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस रहता कि मैं इसको कैसे रोकूँ, यहाँ कुछ लगाओ, वहाँ कुछ लगाओ। मैं उसे रोक ही नहीं सकता। जब कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल सिचुएशन है तो टेंशन बिल्कुल कम होता है। जब थोड़ा कंट्रोल हो सकता है तब आप ज़्यादा टेंस होते हो कि इसको आप कैसे कंट्रोल करो, क्या एफर्ट डालो। तो ये जो भी हुआ, आप संजय के साथ जो भी हुआ है, आई डोंट थिंक जब संजय वापस आएगा हम फिल्म बनाएंगे, दैट सिंपल इज दैट। हम लोग जाएंगे, तब तक कुछ और बनाएंगे, जब संजय वापस आएगा हम उसके साथ फिल्म बनाएंगे।
Thank you everybody. With that, of course, we conclude our launch. And all the children, I'd love Niyam, Kiara to quickly come up on stage.
They gave some time which was free.
आप थोड़ा स्पष्ट बोलिए ताकि मैं समझूँ आपकी बात।
सबसे पहले तो इस सीडी के बारे में जानना चाहिए। कैसी रही आज की शाम?
बहुत अच्छी रही। देखिए, जब लोग मंदिर जाते हैं ना, मंदिर जाते हैं तो एक ऐसी जगह जाते हैं, सिर्फ भगवान की प्रार्थना नहीं करते, अपने अंदर चले जाते हैं। तो ये सीडी के साथ आप अपना मंदिर बना सकते हैं, कहीं भी उसको सुन सकते हैं। जो भी आपके अंदर है, आपकी अच्छाई, आपकी स्पिरिचुअलिटी, सब जो है एक अपने स्थान में आप एक मंदिर बना सकते हैं। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर रागेश्वरी, क्योंकि रागेश्वरी इज़ अ वंडरफुल पर्सन, बहुत ही पॉजिटिव पर्सन है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम करती हैं। और इससे अच्छा इंटरप्रेटर लुइस हे का जो काम है, उससे अच्छा इंटरप्रेटर हिंदुस्तान में तो है नहीं। शी इज़ द मोस्ट पॉजिटिव पर्सन दैट आई नो सिंस माई मदर।
नहीं, ऑल इज़ वेल इज़ एन अफर्मेशन, ये मुझे रागेश्वरी ने बताया। आई हैवंट हर्ड द सीडी येट, और उसको मैं डिफाइन नहीं कर पाया था किस भाषा में कि ये एक अफर्मेशन है, पर इतना समझ में आता था कि अगर आप लाइफ को पॉजिटिवली देखेंगे तो लाइफ आसान हो जाती है। अगर आप चीज़ों को लेके, इवेंट्स को लेके, लोगों को लेके सिनिकल रहेंगे, क्रिटिकल रहेंगे, तो आप उनसे भी बिहेव ऐसे करेंगे। अगर आप किसी व्यक्ति को चाहते नहीं हैं, आप उसमें कमियां निकालते हैं, तो वो अगर जब आपके सामने आप आएगा तो वो बैकग्राउंड के साथ आप उससे बात करेंगे, तो आपका बिहेवियर भी उसके साथ वैसे ही रहेगा, आपका रिलेशनशिप भी उसके साथ वैसे ही बनेगा। पर जैसे मैं रागेश्वरी को देखता हूँ, वो इतनी पॉजिटिव है, वो हर आदमी से उतना ही अच्छे से बात करती हैं जितना वो शायद अपनी फैमिली में बात करती हैं। शी इज़ ऑलवेज स्प्रेडिंग लव, तो वो सामने वाला व्यक्ति भी उससे वैसे ही पेश आता है। तो आप अगर पॉजिटिव है तो आपके इर्द गिर्द पॉजिटिविटी अपने आप फैलने लगती है।
देखिए, ये सब नेगेटिव इमोशन जो आप कहती हैं, जेलसी, एम्बिशन, पोजेसिवनेस, अच्छी चीज़ें अपनी जगह अच्छी हैं, बुरी नहीं है, क्योंकि इट मोटिवेट्स पीपल। लेकिन अगर आप नेगेटिव इमोशंस को लेके अपने अंदर रखते हैं तो गड़बड़ होती है। एक मोटिवेशन एक बात है कि आप एक मकसद बना देते हैं। प्रॉब्लम होती है जब आप उसमें घुलते रहते हैं और घुलने से आप अपने आप को तबाह कर देते हैं। तो इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि आप पॉजिटिव इमोशंस के साथ ये बातें बैलेंस करें, और जो आपका स्वभाव है, जो आपके अंदर की भावनाएं हैं, उन सब में एक परिवर्तन आए जहाँ की ड्राइविंग एनर्जी इन यू इज पॉजिटिव।
आई थिंक आज दिन रागेश्वरी का है, और उस खूबसूरत सीडी का है जो लुइस हे के साथ उसने आज लॉन्च किया है। पीके की बात हम वक्त आने पे करेंगे, अभी तो वक्त है, अभी तो फिल्म बन रही है। जब वक्त आएगा हम पीके की बात करेंगे। इतना ही कहूँगा कि काफ़ी बन चुकी है फिल्म, 2 शेड्यूल छोटे से बचे हैं और जल्दी रेडी हो जाएगी, और फिर मिलेंगे आपसे, फिर तो बहुत बातें करेंगे आपसे।
रागेश्वरी इज डेड टुडे। रागेश्वरी इज डेड।